Rocks and Minerals Part 4. What is mineral? A mineral is a solid, non-living, that is inorganic material. It is found in the earth. They are naturally occurring substance. They have a definite chemical makeup and a definite crystalline structure. Minerals may be either metallic or non-metallic in nature. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those minerals which can be melted to obtain new products. Iron, copper, bauxite, tin, manganese are some examples of metallic minerals. These are generally associated with igneous rocks. They are usually hard and have shines or luster of their own. They are ductile and malleable. When hit, they do not get broken. Like copper, it is drawn into wire, so it is ductile in nature. Whereas malleable means that it can be beaten into sheets. वो एक sheet के form में अगर हमें मिल रहा है, that term is called as malleable, and to be drawn into a wire is termed as ductile. Uses of metals. They are used in making cycles, scooters, cars and buses. Utensils like pots, pans, tawa, etc. are made from metals. Bells are made of a mixture of metals as they make a ringing sound when you hit them. Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are those which do not yield new products on melting. Like coal, salt, clay, marbles are some examples. These are generally associated with sedimentary rocks. They are not so hard and have no shine or luster of their own. They are not ductile and malleable. When hit, they may get broken into pieces. Example of non-metallic mineral is coal. It is formed by the excess heat and pressure on the earth for several years. It is present underground in mines and wells. Uses of coal. Coal is used in railway engine to produce steam to run engine. Coal is still used in homes in villages as fuel to cook food in chulhas. Coal is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. In industries, coal is used to produce coke, coal tar and coal gas. Another example of non-metallic mineral is petroleum. Petroleum is a naturally occurring flammable liquid that are found in geologic formation beneath the earth's surface. It was produced when sea creatures died and got covered with sand and clay. Under high pressure, these dead organisms changed into petroleum and natural gases. Uses of petroleum. It is used to run vehicles such as car, scooter, aeroplane, etc. It is used to make lubricating oil, paints, ink, fertilizers, and medicines. It is also used in dry cleaning of clothes. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are natural resources used to provide energy. Fossil fuel took millions of years to make. They are the remains of decomposed plants and animals. Their energy comes from the energy produced by plants and animals. Coal and petroleum are the examples of fossil fuel. When plants or animals in the oceans or sea dies, they get collected on the seabed, or we can say ocean beds. Dust and sand gets accumulated over these animals and plants and start forming a layer. Millions of years तक ऐसे ही layers बनती रहती हैं and the animals and plants dies and keep on accumulating on the seabed. Due to intense heat and pressure, coal and petroleum are formed. Therefore, we should conserve and use coal and petroleum properly. Conservation of natural resources. Minerals are the natural resources that are formed after thousands of years under the earth. We should conserve it and make use of it properly. We should use 3R methods, that is, reduce, recycle, and reuse. We should keep our house items and vehicles in a good condition. This helps us to conserve fuel. Energy such as the sun, wind, and water should be used more as they cannot be exhausted. Like nowadays, solar panels are used for producing electricity. This is also a method to conserve natural resources. Thank you for watching.